into music since bata pa ka?
Yes, uy, nakadang na may usawa na gani nga. Nakoy video nga as in, makalingaw yun kayo siya.
Ano sa in? Well, for the information of everybody, naatay clip ato nga video. So, let's watch it.
Yellow, yellow, single moon, give us and should be 17. 15 letters for that song, and 2 letters for rising. Aqua or orange, small diamond, Livingston, black rocket. Yellow, yellow, single moon, give us land should be 17. 15 letters for the star, and 2 letters for rising. Aqua, orange, small diamond, Livingston, black rocket.
Ay, laka, uy, kakit mo, uy, pero grabe, perfect ko, bright, yung matag yun.
Nakakalaki. Nasobra na sa pagtanaw na ko sa episode sa una sa Peppa Pig, which is katong slack management cable ba. But, wala na siya, uy, kanang natin special lagi na siya.
Uy, humble jud ka ayo, dili gid na basta-basta. Uy, bright jud ka.
Naambot lang ka kay kanang kalamay ba pagkasilandiyon day kasawa na po.
Pero dili jud bitaw na basta-basta uray. Meaning anak, creative jud ka ug makahibalog yun.
Sige na lang, uy.
Yaman na lang dayon lagi. Dili na ngay lalisa, di ba?
Di na ito nang hilalisan.
Oo. Sige, so karon since na naman ka dire, pwede ba minimo matagag sample kung sa imong isa ka kanta?
Isa magpod.
Ikaw good, ikaw ba bahala good?
Kung AI na lang.
Ay, kana, bet, kay pangmasak ayun na.
Paano ba to?
Okay, sige, sige. Tell me when you are ready. Ready na ka?
Yes.
Sige, music please.
Ang polyethylene mao'y ginagamit ng material para sa cable jacket. Carbon black ang color sa fiber optic para mo adapt sa kainit. Ang maong dark integrated test para sa quality control process. Ang polyethylene mao'y ginagamit na material para sa cable jacket. Carbon black ang color sa fiber optic para mo adapt sa kainit. Ang maong dark integrated test para sa quality control process. Kini ka na ay upat ka set. Can 20 manual kung pang operation test. Kung atatak manual is na formula. Maungang audit times 80%, 80%. Ang maong assistant installation adunay receiver ang transmit.
Na grabe kay kabugnaw ang tingog oy, mala heavenly voice kaayo gyud.
Nauwi kayo siya, pero salamat.
Well, let's hold for a minute because it's trivia time. For the information of everybody, this song ni Carlosa Agasti entitled The AII is actually inspired from her previous work, right?
Yes, Ange.
Yes, so tell me more about this, Carlosa.
This song actually was composed during my lowest point.
Oh.
The time nga I felt like wala ko'y paingnan, samot kay bago ko yun ko na pwede ang trabaho. So, but I realized myself again. So this song is a reminder to all that the challenges in life may appear sometimes, and it was like a test to determine our end point, but it can also be the greatest form of blessing as it takes away something that is holding us back.
Wow, the greatest form of blessing. Wow, that rings a bell in my ears really so much.
Yeah.
It really proves the point of existing, right?
Yes.
Yes, and sa kanta lang nimo is gi-integrate nimo siya sa dock integrity testing during the process of air-assisted installation.
Yes, Ange.
Yes. So, thank you so much, Carlosa. Really, nalingaw jud kayo mi sa imo ay
Thank you kayo.
yeah, and then although that you are top one of the music industry in the whole Philippines, but